The road to restoration continues. Let's take a listen to this. I haven't been able to get any fluid come through the window wash. These were connected. I just disconnected these. I'm going to replace the hoses, and let's listen to that motor real quick. That didn't sound very good. So let's swap it out with a new one. Fortunately, these just slide right in, on and off in here, like so. Pop a new one in. Papadopoulos. Let's see how that one sounds. Much happier. Alright, let's get these hoses replaced. Alright, so we placed all the tubing. Running to the nozzles. Moment of truth. Success. Now, the nozzles are the crappy spray pattern, so I guess next on the chopping block is Alright, so I've tested the new motor, and it just keeps sucking up crud at the bottom of the window wash reservoir. So what I've done is I put the lights up, and I've disconnected the battery so they don't go back down, and it also doesn't drain my battery. This bolt right here, and see if I can't get this washer tank out of here. And there are 2 more bolts under here for this washer, so we'll remove those 2 bolts. I'm coming back up top now with this last bolt. You just go straight down, I guess. I may actually. Oh my god. I just need to jack the car up momentarily. It's hilariously close to fitting through.